Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. You need to know about online event planning. It's the hot ticket right now and can help you connect with people and create epic virtual experiences without ever leaving your home turf. First off, you gotta know what this biz is all about. It's all about organizing and executing events virtually using various online tools and technologies. Think webinars, virtual conferences, digital trade shows, online networking events, and more. With the rise of remote work and social distancing, online event planning has become the way to go. Now, you gotta be tech savvy to pull this off. You need to know all about video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. You also need event management software like Eventbrite, Cvent, and Hopin to help you track registration, ticket sales, and communicate with attendees. And of course, you need project management tools like Asana or Trello to keep yourself organized. Once you got that down, you need to develop your service offerings. Decide what types of events you want to host and what services you'll offer. You can do it all or specialize in a particular niche. Think about creating packages or pricing plans to show off your skills and make the most money. Now, you gotta get the word out. That means creating a marketing strategy that connects with your target audience. You can use social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to get the word out. Create some fly content like blog posts, video content, and social media updates to showcase your skills. And don't forget to build a sick website or landing page to showcase your biz and upcoming events. Once you've got that all set, it's time to plan your events. Create a checklist and timeline for each event and get all your technology and tools ready. Make sure to identify and coordinate with your vendors, speakers, and partners. You want to make sure everything is perfect for your clients. Finally, it's showtime. Host and manage the event, monitor attendance and engagement during the event, and collect feedback afterward. And if you need some extra help, there's some dope AI-powered tools out there like Voicea, Path Factory, and Eventfinity to help you out. Now, you're probably wondering how much cash you can make with this biz. Well, it varies, but the average earnings for starters can range from $30,000 to $60,000 per year. But if you're a pro and have a dope client base, you can make six figures or more. Just remember, the key to success in this biz is creativity, adaptability, and hard work. So there you have it. You're ready to take on the online event planning world and make some serious dough. Just remember, in this biz, it's not personal, it's strictly business. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this! Start building your empire today.